Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to do this lab, your virtual lab that you're going to do today. So the first thing is over here is all the information you're going to need to know how to fill out those pre-lab questions. So just notice here there is a scroll down bar, so you can use that. And more information is down there. When you get ready, here's the mutations. So I'm selecting mutation 1, which is large body, long legs. And then over here, I want to select 1A. Okay, so 1A is large body, long legs, and there's a new predator. And what I'm going to do is begin natural selection. And we can see
5 generations later.
Make sure your sound is off. And then I'm going to see here, I see 1 mutant, 2 mutants, 3 mutants. So that means they have the mutation and only 1 normal. So I'm going to do the population graph. And then this is where I'm going to get the information to fill in this table graph. So notice yellow is the mutant animals and blue is normal animals. So we can see that the normal population started really high and it's really dropped. But the mutants is it's gone up the last generation. So over here, I would click on here, and I notice it's 1A, normal, and so I can look on, I can't move this over enough for you guys, but I can see here generation 5, which is over here on your paper. I would be able to write how many, so I'm going to use this graph to actually fill in my data table. And then when you're done with that, you're going to hit close. And now I need 1B. So I just stay that. It's now restricted food. I need to begin the natural selection, and I do the population or natural selection. So just notice, what do I think is going to happen if I restrict the food as we go through? And so there's all these different mutations that will happen, and you can see what the results are.